Check it out. We've just installed the brand new Hamilton upgrade kit in this 2016 to 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. We're going to take over this factory display and put wireless CarPlay as well as wired CarPlay and Android Auto right onto the factory screen. We're going to have a full installation video on our YouTube channel as well as an overview video. In this video, we're going to show you completely how to pair and set up CarPlay and configure your audio. If you've just installed your kit, please watch this video fully. Here is the Hamilton underlying operating system. Long holding the voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds, we'll switch between the factory Toyota interface and the Hamilton underlying operating system here. Go ahead and pull out your phone, open up Settings, Bluetooth, and then locate this new device starting with Hamilton. Click on it. A pairing code is going to pop up, and it doesn't matter what it says. When it appears, just hit pair. Click Allow to contacts and favorites. And finally, when you get a notification to connect to CarPlay, you're going to click Connect. If you get a notification that requests to use apps or allow apps, click Allow. And there it is, beautiful wireless CarPlay showing on the factory Land Cruiser screen. Once again, at any time, you can long hold that voice speech button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds to go back to the factory system. I'm going to talk to you now about pairing and setting up the audio. As we ship this device, it's fully compatible with your JBL audio. CarPlay uses Bluetooth to initiate the connection, and then it takes over your phone's Wi-Fi connection automatically. We're going to talk about that in just a second. But first, we need to talk about streaming audio. We recommend you have your phone paired only to the Hamilton network. Come back to the factory system and set the source to aux mode. We've grabbed your aux line behind the factory radio. So this means the Hamilton system is acting like an iPod. Your phone is streaming all your audio to the Hamilton box, and the Hamilton box is playing via your aux line. It's best for iPhone users to come to Setup, Bluetooth, and remove your original phone from your factory Bluetooth. You would do it just like this. Some folks say we would prefer to use factory Bluetooth rather than aux mode. They have specific reasons for this, perhaps an aftermarket audio setup. Is this possible? Yes, it is possible, but you must change a setting in the Hamilton system. We recommend you use the system just the way we send it, with your audio set to aux mode. If you would prefer to use your factory Bluetooth, you need to come to Hamilton, Settings, System, and turn Use Car's Bluetooth channel on. If you turn this on, no longer will you use aux mode, you will now use factory Bluetooth. I request that you use it for at least a week the way we send it before making changes so you get a good feel for it. So we've got the car set to aux mode, the phone is paired to CarPlay, and here we are. We're ready to play music. Let's talk about disconnecting CarPlay quickly. Let's say you want to disconnect CarPlay. I've swiped down from Control Center here on the top right of the phone. See how my Wi-Fi turned white? But we didn't manually make any Wi-Fi connections. This happened automatically. This is not from Hamilton, it's the way CarPlay works. It takes over your Wi-Fi channel automatically. If I wanted to disconnect CarPlay, I could click Wi-Fi, click disconnect. And just like that, CarPlay is disconnected. But now watch. The system is going to automatically reconnect in just a few seconds. See, it automatically reconnected. The Hamilton system is designed to automatically connect. That's showing us that it uses the Bluetooth to initiate, and then CarPlay takes over your phone's Wi-Fi channel. So if you want to make sure that CarPlay is disconnected, whether you want to use a different phone or just firmly disconnect yours, first disconnect the Wi-Fi, then turn your Bluetooth off. Now, CarPlay will not reconnect. I'm Dave with Hamilton Motor Company. That's everything you need to know to get set up with CarPlay and configuring your audio. We have tech support here to help you. Give us a call at 919-858-2890, and I'll see you in the next video.